Hello children, and hope you all are fine. So children, in this video we will continue our EVS 2 lesson, that is directions and maps. In this video we will revise district map, state map and country map. Okay, so let us start. We used to say this line, India is my country, in the pledge ever since standard 1. You must read the words like state, nation and world. In this lesson also you will find these words like earth, world, country, state, district, taluka, village in many places. So let us get to know about district, state, country, the earth and the world. So let's start. Continent. So we live in a house. Houses are built on land. This land spread very far and wide. A vast section of land on the earth is a continent. There are 7 continents: Asia, Africa, Europe, South America, North America, Australia and Antarctica. See children, we live in a house. Okay, why we need a house, that we have learned in EVS 1. Okay, so our houses are built on a land, and this land is spread very far and wide. See, as you can see, as possible as you can see, there is land, but beyond that land is spread very wide, very far, and a vast means big section of land on the earth is called continent. And you can see in this image the color part of the land is mentioned as each continent. So you can count how many continents are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and at the end also one white part is there, that is also one continent, Antarctica. There are 7 continents. Okay, so let us learn their name. First one, Asia, then Africa, Europe, South America, North America, Australia, Antarctica. And our country India is in which continent? Asia. And one more thing, Asia is the biggest continent on the earth. And if Asia is the biggest continent, then which is the smallest continent? That is Australia. You can see which is the smallest one. Yes, it is in the green color, Australia. Okay, so let's move on. See, you can see this the color part also there on the earth, and blue part is also there. And you know this blue part is what? This is water, salty water. Let us learn about it. Ocean. Like land, salt water also occupies the surface of the earth. This part is called ocean. So like land, this salty water also occupies the surface of the earth. This is earth's surface. Okay, some land occupies some surface of the earth, and salty water also occupies the surface of the earth, and this part is called oceans. So how many oceans are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the world, how many oceans are there? 5. Let us learn their name. From top we will start Arctic Ocean, then Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean and Indian Ocean. Okay, just above the Indian Ocean you can see a dot, that is Sri Lanka, and just above the Sri Lanka, see, this is India. Okay, it is very easy to identify India in world map. Just remember the map of India's just remember the shape of India, so easily you can identify the India on the world map. Now about world, this is the globe or earth. Our earth is like this only, and this is a earth, and earth is also called world. There are many countries on the land on earth. The countries are made up of several states. We live in the state of Maharashtra. Our country, India, is made up of many such states. There are 28 states and 7 territories in India. See, what is world then? Earth is called, Earth is also called world. Okay, and now only we learn there are 7 continents and 5 oceans are there on the earth or in the world. Okay, and this in this each continents many countries are there. It means there are many countries on the earth, and these countries are divided or made up of several states. Why they are made up of several states? To manage the means government has to do many things to manage it. They divided the country in states. Like in a school, in each class is divided into 4 sections. Why? Because of there are many students. It is not possible to teach them in in one section. That is why we divided into 4 sections. Same way, India has government has to do many things. It is not possible for them to reach each and every person. That is why it is divided into states. So India also divided into states. India is also country. So how many states are there in India? India has 28 states and 7 territories. Out of them, we live in which state? We live in Maharashtra state. Okay, understood about the world? You can say that there are 7 continents, 5 oceans in the world, and Earth is also called the world. There are many countries in the world, and each country is made up of several states. So we live in India, okay, which is our country? India. India also made up of many states, like 28 states and 7 territories. Out of them, we live in Maharashtra state. In Maharashtra state, there are many districts. So, we will learn about our district. So, students, we live in Nanded district. So, we will learn about Nanded district map. See, this is our Nanded district map. Okay. As you can see, there are many talukas in Nanded. So, let us know the names of talukas in Nanded, and then we will count how many talukas are there in Nanded district. See, we will start from here. This is Mahur, Kinwat, Hadgaon, Himayatnagar, Ardhapur, Mudkhed, Biloli, Umri, Dharmabad, Nanded, Loha, Kandhar, Naigaon, Biloli, Mukhed, Deglur. Okay, these are the talukas in Nanded district. And now we will count them. How many talukas are there in Nanded district? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It means there are 16 talukas in Nanded district. Okay, and Nanded city is the city headquarter. There are you can see court is there, collector office is there, so many big hospitals are there. So it is a city headquarter. There are many important offices are there. Understood? Now we will learn more about maps. Index. As I told you in previous video, in each and every map, direction are mentioned. Here also see north, upside, down south, left west and right east. With these directions, index also given. So what is mean by index? Index means symbol, pictures, sign and different shades of colors are used to present the information in a map. A list of the symbols etc. is given along with the map is called index. Index means what? The symbol which are given in the map, the meaning of that symbol and picture are different shades of color. The meaning is given in the given in the map at the corner and that in the box, and that box is called the index. Okay, symbol, picture, signs and different shades of colors are used to present the information in the map, and list of the symbols which are given in the box, this is called index. See, this is index. So this is a symbol. What is slipping line dot? Slipping line dot, what it means? State boundary. And a simple line is dotted line is there. What it means? Dis- district boundary. And a big dot with a circle, what it means? State capital. And only big dot, what it means? Second capital. And a box, what it means? District, my district that you have to make. So this map is given in your textbook. A big dot, where is the big dot? Here. What it means? Nagpur, second capital. And a big dot with a circle, capital. So this is Mumbai, capital. Mumbai city district. Okay, so Mumbai is the capital city. Understood? Index. Okay, now next, state map. Okay, now we will learn about state. So children, there are 28 states in India. So we live in which state? Maharashtra state. So see children, this is our Maharashtra state. It is in, you can say that it is in a triangular shape. Okay, so just remember its shape. Now about the state map. We live in Maharashtra state. Mumbai is capital city of Maharashtra and Nagpur is second capital of Maharashtra. There are 36 districts in Maharashtra. Our district is Nanded. Neighboring districts Hingoli, Yavatmal, Latur, Parbhani. See children, this is a state map. We live in Maharashtra state, and as I told you previous that dot with a circle means capital. So capital of Maharashtra state. So which is our capital city? Mumbai. And which is our second capital? Nagpur. See, Nagpur is here and Mumbai is here. Here. Okay. So there are 36 districts in Maharashtra, and which is our, see, these many districts are there in Maharashtra. How many? 36. And we live in which district? Nanded. So let us find out where is Nanded district. Here is Nanded district and neighboring. Neighboring means just which is very near to Nanded district. See, which districts are very near to Nanded? Latur, Parbhani, Hingoli, Yavatmal. And neighboring district means their boundaries are attached to our boundaries. See, Latur district boundary is attached with Nanded, so it is our neighboring district. Same way, Bid district's boundary is attached with Parbhani and Latur, not with the Nanded. That is why Bid is not our neighboring district. Latur, Parbhani, Hingoli, and one more, that is Yavatmal. These are our neighboring district. And children, as you can see, neighboring district or one more state is there, which is just we can say that it is another district neighboring state, that is Telangana. Okay, now we will learn about which states are there, which are our neighboring. This is our state map. And see, Gujarat is neighboring state, Madhya Pradesh north side, and east side Chhattisgarh, and here Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Okay, but you know what? Now Andhra Pradesh is divided into two states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Understood? And you can see at the bottom there is one dot, that is Goa. So how many states are there, which are our neighboring states? Gujarat 1, Madhya Pradesh 2, Chhattisgarh 3, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana 4, and Karnataka 5, and Goa 6. I mean 6 to 7 states are there, which are neighboring states of Maharashtra. Okay, understood? Neighboring district, neighboring states, capital city of Maharashtra, second capital of Maharashtra. These all things you have learned before. In this video, we are only revise those points. Now about country map. As you can see in this image, this is a India's map. Okay, and the capital of India is New Delhi. See, and at the beginning of this video I told you how many states are there in India. 28 states and 7 territories. So all the states are mentioned here with their capital city. Okay, so capital city of India is New Delhi. This is okay. And in the see, this is index. Capital city, I see at the capital city this symbol is given. What it means? So it is given in the index. What it means? The state slipping line means international boundary, and white means state boundary, and this box means country capital, and this black dot means state capital. So you can see this is Maharashtra, and Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. Okay, which is shown in the black dot, and these are neighboring state which I told you: Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana. I told you now Andhra Pradesh divided into two states, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So Nanded district neighboring boundary is Telangana. Okay, and Goa and Karnataka. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 neighboring states are there. And international boundaries. See, international boundaries means like neighboring states, neighboring district. India, when we will see the map, India's means our country map, that time you can see there are neighboring countries also there. See, this Pakistan, China, Myanmar, here Sri Lanka. So these are our neighboring what countries. And I told you the neighboring states also. Okay, 6 states are there: Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Karnataka, Goa. These are the neighboring states of Maharashtra, and as well as we learn the which are the neighboring countries of India. China is there, Pakistan is there, okay, which is very close. Myanmar is there, Afghanistan is there, Sri Lanka is there, Nepal is there. See, Nepal, Bhutan is there. See, Bangladesh is there. When you will read this map very carefully, na, you will understand them. Read only. Okay. Now world map. As we learn, Earth is also called world. On the world map, you can see this map is given in your textbook. So, as we learn at the beginning of the video, the oceans and all the continents are shown sorry are shown in this map. On this page you can see world map, and in this mention all the oceans, see, and continents that I shown you at the beginning of the video. So in the world map, land means continents are shown in white, see, in white, and the blue part is mentioned here, oceans. Okay, and the continents are shown in white and water is shown in blue. This is your map which is mentioned in the textbook, and this white part shown as a continents and the blue part mention the oceans. Okay, this special map has been created so that all the land and water on the earth can be seen at glance. Glance means we can see in a we can say that in Hindi what jhalak. Glance means in Hindi we can say that we can say that a jhalak means in a quickly we can see on this map the 7 continents and 5 oceans. Okay, so do one thing, children, note down the 7 continents and 5 oceans and try to learn their spellings, as well as I have given you country map and state map. Try to read their names. There are 36 districts in a state. Capital city Mumbai, second capital Nagpur, and we live in India. So India is a country. States and territories. Not compulsory to learn their names, but at least read the names of states. We live in which state? Maharashtra. Okay. Now we live in which district? Nanded. So neighboring district also read their names. Okay. If someone asks, you have to tell them, or you can tell your younger sister, brother. Okay. So take care, children.